Thank you very much for joining me for today's breaking news for Amazon sellers. Amazon Sellers News is the name I came up with, and today is the first day but we're really not shooting this video live on Facebook Live. We've decided to up the ante, and behind me is our incredible Amazon Sellers News studio. Thank you, Brett, for joining us as our video editor. Now, AmazonSellersLawyer.com, as far as we are aware, is the largest depository in the world for free information on how to sell better, and how to make more money on Amazon, including developing and protecting private label intellectual property rights. Also, when you call us, you get to speak with a human being. That's how this firm has grown. That's what we were founded upon, that Amazon sellers need someone to speak with when you have a problem. So, today's breaking news story: private label sellers, brand development and protection. We have developed a program to help private label sellers do exactly what the big brands do. Develop your intellectual property rights, police your intellectual property rights, get rid of hijackers who are delivering counterfeit products, and protect your brand and protect your sales. Monitor your ASINs, test buys, cease and desist letters. If you are a private label seller, there's information you need to know. Private label sales are growing. It is the trend of the future. And if you are an Amazon seller who has not yet decided to start developing your own private label brand, please think about doing it. By developing your private label brand, you develop an asset that you own. You can become platform agnostic. Okay, breaking news number 2. Trademark and patent complaints have risen dramatically over the last week and a half or so. USPTO, the United States Patent and Trademark Office, issues thousands, if not tens of thousands, of invalid patents every single year. If you Google it, you're going to see the articles on it as well. What happens is someone applies for a patent, a design patent or a utility patent, and the patent examiner at the USPTO fails to do a thorough job. They will actually issue patents for products that pre-exist under the law. Now, if you receive one of these complaints, we want you to contact us right away. We will do a review where we actually identify whether that patent was properly issued or whether it is on its face an invalid patent. And that will affect how you negotiate for the withdrawal of that IP complaint. So the news of the day: trademark complaints are up and patent complaints are up, both design and utility. Third breaking news story of today, Wednesday, June 19th, 2019, are a dramatic increase in the IP complaints from spoof emails. Now, this is sellers complaining about other sellers that don't even own the intellectual property rights, okay? We've seen this over and over again over the years, and now we're just seeing a marked increase where you will receive an IP complaint that is not vetted by Amazon in any substantive way. And when we reach out to that brand to get a retraction to explain that you're not violating anybody's intellectual property rights in any fashion, we get no response. When that happens, what I want you to do is to check with the actual filing and find out who the actual owner is and contact that owner. That's what we do. And you'd be surprised at how many times the actual owner of the IP rights is not the person that made a complaint. Okay? Also, like we talked about yesterday, Project Zero seems to be replacing the Notice Dispute email address. But the third news story of the day is spoof emails from brand owners, from rights owners, are up dramatically. And just like Amazon sellers need to pivot every time Amazon changes, you need to have this information so that you can also pivot in how you react when you receive an intellectual property right complaint. Fourth news story of the day: aggressive representation of sellers against brands. Now, I've been talking about this for a few weeks. We have developed our complaint, we have developed our litigation plan, and we want to help sellers who are being victimized, who are being abused by big brands, who are making baseless complaints about selling counterfeit products. Now, this is not a trademark complaint. This is a counterfeit complaint. If you have received, or if you're one of the thousands of sellers out there who are increasingly receiving baseless, wrong, fake, fraudulent complaints that you are selling counterfeit products, you may have rights against that brand that are dramatic and powerful. Look at our website, AmazonSellersLawyer.com. Check out our Facebook page. We have videos on this. And today at noon Eastern Time, we will have a webinar solely for Amazon sellers who either have been accused of selling counterfeit products or want to learn what their rights are if you are accused. Now, Amazon sellers are powerful. Amazon sellers are savvy. Amazon sellers have rights. So that is the fifth breaking news story. There is a dramatic increase in the amount of baseless counterfeit complaints that are being asserted against you, and you have rights. And today at 12 noon, please join me. Please join Travis Stockman, Esquire, our managing attorney when it comes to litigation, and learn what sellers' rights are, what rights you have when a brand makes a baseless complaint that you have sold counterfeit products. Thank you for watching this new version of Amazon Sellers News. We're going to try and post every single day so that you get the benefit of our 10,000-foot view of the issues that Amazon sellers face every day.